saying find the transpose of C. Find C to the power T. This, it means you're finding the transpose of that matrix. Okay? You're finding the transpose of that matrix. So now how do we transpose? How do we transpose? So we have row and columns, right? Row and column. So we have first row, second row. First column, second column. So when you're transposing, this first row becomes the first column. So we say 7, 6. Then second row becomes the second column, -1, 0. That's how you transpose. The row becomes the first column, the second row becomes the second column. If we had the third row, it would have been the third column. Just like that. All right, that's how we transpose. And again, if you have a different method and you still get the same result, and you're comfortable with that method, go with that method. If you have a very easy method on how you can transpose, go with that method. Remember, this live session is not here to dispute or make other teachers look bad or make other educators out there look like they are not doing their job. No, that's not the purpose of this live session. So please, if you feel like what you were taught was easy, go for that. All right, go for that. All right, let's continue. The next question is saying, find x for which AB is equal to C. Oh, okay. Find x of which AB is equal to C. That's what we are going to do next. So, they want us to find the x, the value of x. That, want to know what that is. So they're saying that AB, the product of AB is equal to C. So, we don't know what AB is. We know that we have matrix A and B, but each product we don't know. So let's find AB, then equate to that matrix. We get AB, product of AB, then equate to that. So quickly we say matrix AB is equal to, our A is 2, 3, 1, 0. Then matrix B, we have -1, 0, x2. So as we are multiplying, with matrices, when you're multiplying matrices, almost use vectors. When you're multiplying matrices, what we do is this. My markers, guys, my markers. We say row by column, so it will be 2 times -1. 2 times -1, we get -2. Then we say plus 3 times x, we get x. 3x, sorry. We get 3x. 2 times -1, we get -2. 3 times x, we get 3x. Then we come to the other. 2 times 0, it is 0. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. We come here. 1 times -1 is -1. Right? Plus 0 times x, it is 0. 1 times 0, it is 0. Plus 0 times 2 is 0. So now our AB is equal to -2 plus 3x. We can't add this because we have a variable. All right. Then -1 times -1 plus 0, it's -1. Then we have 0 plus 6, it is 6. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So now we know our product of AB is that. So now we equate it. So we're going to say our AB is -2 plus 3x, then -1, then 6, 0 is equal to that. 7, 6, -1, 0. So how do we find that now? We go with the corresponding, my good friends. We go with corresponding. We have negative and that negative. Okay, so they are equal. 0 and that 0 equal. 6 and that 6. So if we are to find the value of, all right, if we are to find the value of x, we're going to say -2 plus 3x is equal to 7. All right, then we group the like terms. So we say this -2, take it to the right side, becomes +2. By additive inverse, that means we add both sides by +2. So 3x is equal to 7 plus 2. 3x is equal to 9. We divide by 3 both sides. X is equal to 3. Now we found the value of x, and the value of x is 3. That's how you find such a question.